Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my mom's Ooey mango Talkari. So if you guys would love to see how to make this deliciousness, keep watching. I promise you it will not disappoint. To start this recipe, we're going to start with our hot water, and I'm going to add in about 4 cups of chopped mango. And I brought this back from Trinidad. I always bring back mango from Trinidad because I feel like the mango that we get out here in the US does not cook as great. So I'm going to boil this in salted water until it's very, very tender. Boil it until the mango starts to fall apart. Drain and set aside. Now to a pot, add in oil and a few grains of meaty or fenugreek seeds. Allow that to brown but don't burn, and then add in chopped hot peppers, pimento peppers, onions, and we're going to cook this until the onions are translucent and light brown in color. You want to make sure you cook your onions out really well. If you wanted to omit the onions, of course you can, but I always add in onions. And now I went in with a tablespoon of minced garlic. Allow this to cook until the garlic starts to turn light brown, and then add in the boiled mango. Give that a mix. You don't want the seasonings to stay at the bottom and burn. Now add in your brown sugar and green seasoning, amchar masala powder. And if you're not a Trinidadian and you're looking at this recipe, you can find this on Amazon. Ground geera, and I do equal parts of amchar masala and ground geera. My mom always puts a lot of geera compared to when you normally make this, and it makes the best mango Talkari. So give that a mix. Once you mix it, you want to taste it, and if it needs salt, you add in some salt. Mango always takes more salt for some reason, so I'm adding in salt. And then she goes in with water to create that ooey gooey sauce. Just give that a mix. Now this is what's going to create that ooey gooey sauce. Once it comes up to a simmer, we're going to cover it and allow it to cook on a low heat, low and slow, for about 10 minutes. And once it's done, you can go ahead and check it like halfway through, just to make sure it's not sticking or burning. But you see how ooey gooey and sticky that looks? So delicious. And that's it. It's ready to be enjoyed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's my mom's way of making mango Talkari, and I absolutely love it. Tag me if you're on Instagram so I can see your creations. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video, and leave in the comments your requests for future videos. Bye everyone.